is Kala, our last addition to the all-terrain sneaker collection. It is our most adaptable style yet. Kala can match any piece of your wardrobe, giving you the style you need and the versatility of a technical shoe, so you are always ready. After years of development, we have achieved the ultimate foldable heel design that transforms Kala into a comfortable sleeper in no time, while grabbing your foot firmly when unfolded, so you can wear them how you want 24 hours a day. At home, walking, or running, Kala will always deliver the comfort you need. Its full rubber piece non-marking outsole will give you the confidence you need on any terrain. It is designed to be water-friendly, so you can move around and in water. Once you're done, it will dry quickly, thanks to its drainage holes system and patented treatments by Lava XL. When you're on the move, you will appreciate how breathable it is, making it perfect to wear with or without socks. Kala is made from 6 recycled plastic bottles, because being respectful with the environment is our responsibility. Of course, we have included spring laces, our instant adjustment mechanism that will get you tight and ready in a breeze. You don't know lightweight shoes until you meet this one. Combining that with its packable design, you will always bring it with you. Kala is a shoe for the commuters, for the curious, and for all those who want to enjoy every little thing in life. So go ahead and own your memories.